Hey, young world, it's Lydia. So, I guess I should tell y'all what y'all about to see in this next clip because I don't even know what happened, to be honest. So, we had a couple of bad rainy days here in Columbia, South Carolina about a week ago. And pretty much, we just woke up to my greenhouse being gone. I almost lost a couple of fruit trees that I have, and I'm streaming and hollering because I thought maybe Naya didn't record it because she was like, "What you gotta record it for?" So I was like, "Nah, whatever." So anyway, I just wanted to explain what you guys are looking at. Pretty much, my greenhouse is tumbled over, and I'm not gonna bring it back. I may gotta go purchase a greenhouse and put it on the other side, but it'll be okay. Just a new look, because I'm not putting it back. Just watch the clip.
Grab and go, grab and go. No. That's all you getting?
I gotta get 2 more things, 3 more things.
Hmm. Okay. One more.
Oh, so you are recording. Terrible. What if that's holding up the weight?
Mama, you think that little bitty tree hold up to all that? Oh! Oh, it's falling, Mama! It's falling!
Oh, Lord.
You need to put a stick on that.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, my God! I'm joking. I ain't gonna do that. Well, I'm sweet. My family's sweet. Oh, wait. I'm well. My family's well, and I hope you're well, too. And her plant is broke. Amen. Bye.